Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams like Ayanokoji. First, meticulously analyze your current knowledge across all subjects to pinpoint areas of strength and weakness. Next, identify the most crucial information and anticipate potential exam questions. Finally, construct a detailed, long-term study strategy that leverages your strengths while addressing your weaknesses effectively. This methodical approach ensures you are always one step ahead. Once your strategy is set, prioritize topics by their importance and your current understanding. Implement active recall techniques like flashcards or self-quizzing and spaced repetition to solidify information in your long-term memory. Crucially, simulate exam conditions regularly, including time limits and environment, to build mental resilience and reduce test day anxiety. This prepares you for any challenge. To truly master the material, break down complex concepts into smaller, digestible components. Actively seek to connect new information with what you already know, forming a robust mental framework. After practice, meticulously review every mistake you make, understanding the root cause to prevent repeating similar errors. This deep engagement ensures a profound and lasting comprehension of the subject matter. On exam day, maintain a calm and focused demeanor, trusting in your thorough preparation. Carefully review all your answers before submission, checking for any small errors or missed details. Remember to stay hydrated for optimal cognitive function. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. After the exam, analyze your performance to refine your study methods for future success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.